Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, I am going to share with you a new software that you can use to record your videos, and it will automatically zoom in and pan without you don't have to do any manual work, and it has got a lot more other features. If you are like a teacher or somebody who is creating a lot of tutorials by recording the screen, this software is really good for you, mainly because it's really easy to use, and you also can generate sales videos, demos, and you can highlight with spotlight. You have different cursor styles, and you can add captions, layout, and even can add motion blur, and a lot of other features are also available. So we will just take a quick look at what the software can do for us. Once you are here, in order to download the file, you just need to click on this free download button, and if you click that, it will start downloading. Mind you, it is really slow. I had to try it several times to in order to finish the download. The final size of the file will be around 9.8 MB, and it will take forever to download. So like in the old dial-up days. So be patient. If you are lucky and downloaded the file, it will look like this. So once it's downloaded and installed, the file will look like this. This is the icon. If you double click on it, it will open up this window where we have different options. We can select a full screen recorder, or we can select a custom area where we want to record, or a particular window that we want to record. And we also can enable or disable the different camera settings. If you want to record the camera, and you can also choose from different microphone options you have available. And for the speaker, you can also select the speaker that you want to record. So these are the basic setup. So for this example, we'll just click on the full record. Once you click on record, it will start recording. So I'll now just press the record button, and a countdown timer will start, and that's it. Now you are recording. And for a quick demo, I'll just show this website. As I said before, this is automatically like zooming in and zooming in. For if you want to zoom in, just click here. I have just pressed click, and I'm just scrolling, and again I am going to the overview in order to show you guys how this will record the video for you. And just close it. I'll just click on the pricing. So this is the pricing. We'll just stop this record. It's around 1 minute. Once the video is recorded, you will see this interface where if I just press play, so that's how the video looks. As you can see, it added all these zoom effects automatically for us. And if you want to add a zoom in a particular area, you can just move the cursor here and just click here, and it will add that zoom. And you can also change this point. For example, if I want this particular point to be zoomed in, and I can also set the zoom level. And if you go play that video, you can see, and that particular area was zoomed in. You can also apply this zoom level to all the zooms, or you can just click on the reset button. If you want to disable the zoom, you can just click here, or you can just click on it and press the delete button, and that will be removed as well. So here you can adjust the length of your timeline, and if you want to see the fit to screen, you can see like just clicking on this button, it will automatically fit the timeline to your screen. And here you can also crop the video if you want. If you want a particular section of the video to be cropped, you can just click and apply. And as you can see, that particular area will be cropped. And if you want to undo that, you can just go here and click on the custom and just click on apply. The next thing is you can clip the video. When I just pressed it, as you can see, the video is now separated into two clips. You can even trim it like this, or you can undo the trim like this as well. If you want to add a spotlight, you can also do that by clicking the button here, and you can just place it here and adjust it. And you can also adjust the roundness of this spotlight, just like this. And if you want that to be removed, or if you want to change it, you can just drag and drop it here. For this example, I'll delete it for now. And if you want to undo anything, you can just press this button to undo any change that you did, or you can click on the redo button as well. So you can also change the custom size to different aspect ratios: 16:9, 1:1, 4:3, and 19:60. And you also have some preset mode here for all the social medias. Select the one that you like, and you can also adjust the padding by just moving the slider. And you can also give a border, and you can change the border color to any color that you want. If I want to change it to yellow, I can do that just by doing this. Maybe I'll change it to bright red. So you can do that as well. And you can change the roundness of this by moving the slider. And if you want to also give some shadow effect, you can do that just like this. And there are also different background uh, for your video, and some gradient colors as well. If you want to have any specific color, you can do that as well by clicking here. For this example, we will keep this. Yeah, so that's the about the canvas. Then if we move to cursors, then we have different cursor options here. If you press this, you can see the cursor changed like that. You can see the cursor changed, and you can also give the click some effect. So see, the click is now with the selected effect. You can also change that to different effects, as you can see. And you can also enable some sound for your click. You can also adjust the sound here. Now let's move to the animation. Here is where you control your zoom in and screen moving, and the cursor movement all can be adjusted using the slider. And if you want to enable the motion blur, you can do that as well. So if I just play this video, this is with the motion blur enabled. As you can see, there is a blur here when it moves to the screen, moves another point. If you don't want that, you can disable that as well. So see, there is no blur now. So that's the difference. With that, here you have the camera options. I am not using the camera right now. So now it can also generate captions for you. You have some three options: none, basic, and pro. And you can also select from these languages. In order to actually use this, you have to actually download a model for the captioning system to work in your system locally. So that file is around 1.5 GB. So you need to actually download it in order to actually use it. So if If I just click on the caption and click on generate, it's now generating the captions for me. As you can see, after waiting for a while, the captions are now ready. And if I want, I can increase the font size just like this, or I can keep it in the middle or put it on top, or if I want just the spacing, I can do that as well. So I'll just put it here at the bottom, and we'll keep this spacing here. If I want, I can edit it going here like quick demo. So the captions are just really limited. You cannot adjust the font, you cannot adjust any colors, just the generic captions. So if you want all these settings to be on your next recording, you can actually create a preset. So that's the issue. Sometimes it's not showing us any message that it's saved or anything. But once you click again, you can see this. I think this is a bug. Here you have different options. You can delete it, and if you want to apply this, you can definitely do that, or you can set it as the default preset. So that's about the preset. And if you want to remove everything and actually record a new recording, you just need to click this button to record it. And you also have the option to upload it to the cloud. So you can export up to 4K with the 60 FPS, and you get up to 1 GB in this starter plan. And that's a really great feature. And for export options, you can export it as MP4 and GIF. Here also you can have up to 4K and 60 FPS, and you can also assign the folder that you want to export as well. So those are the export options. Then we can show the watermark here. If you have watermark, you can enable this button, and you can move the watermark around like this. They have some preset areas where we can place the watermark. Can also increase the size just like this, and play with the opacity as well. So these are the basic options. If I click on zoom, you have other options. You can play with the zoom levels, and you can also pinpoint the zoom by moving this dot where you want it. If you click on the video, you have the option to adjust the speed of the video. As you can see, now you can go up to 2x the speed. So and that's something that's good to know, that you have the flip speed option available as well. You can also adjust the volume here. Let's move to the export option. Sorry, I'll also show you some cloud features that's related with this. I'll just click on upload. So once you upload it, you can share it with anyone. You will get a link that you can use to share the file, and you can also add call to actions, add buttons, and a lot of interactive stuff with this. So I'll just quickly show you how that looks. So it's really easy to share files with your teammates, or if you have to send a file but you don't have the space to actually upload the file, you can just use this option to get the link and just share the link so that they can view and comment and things like that. So we have different option. We can embed it. We can view it online. If I just click on view, then this is how it looks. You can even comment on the video. You can also share it using the link. You can enable or disable comments, make it public or private. You can access it via password. We can give it a password. We can embed it on our website. Let's just copy this link and see how the incognito, how this video will look like in incognito. So this is how it looks. You can also add comments here. Is we can add text to it by just clicking here, and this is a demo text. So you have the basic option to add the text. You can actually increase the file size or decrease the file size. Let's keep it at 48, and you can bold it, can italicize it. So the color. So yeah, you can add demo text. You can add a call to action. I'll just add the button link here. Button name, visit site. The color can be green. Button color. See, that can be the call to action. You can place it or extend it wherever you want. See the button. You can add the call to action. Then you have the data report here. How many views, the interactions, and you can also do lead generation also. That's a nice feature. You can add questions. You can pop in a question. Who is watching this? Me. This is just for demo. So you can also set the time limit, allow to rewind, allow skipping. So you have that control as well. Multiple choice. Let's give this. Let's save it. Let's see how this looks. In the beginning itself, who is watching this? See, have that option. Then let me delete it. You can add email collector. Sign up now. Here it's asking me to enter the email. So these are like different interactions. You can also add like call to action button. Maybe I'll just copy the link. See, there is a button. If I click it, it opens the website. So I want to show you, this is available in AppSumo. Also, the lifetime deal is available on AppSumo. This one, the $39, I bought this one in order to check it out. And you get one device, 1 GB storage. And for the $99, you get 5 device and extra cloud storage. One issue that I noticed is when I zoom in, the clarity is not that great. I see that it's deteriorating somewhat. I know I'm not sure if it's my system error or something. Maybe if you are getting like good results, please do let me know in the comments below. And check this out. This on their website, it's much costlier. uh, is a bit cheaper, and as you can see, they already got few positive reviews. I'll include the link in the description. And this is really an alternative tool if you cannot afford tools like Camtasia or any other premium tools. And this is especially great for beginners because the UI is really simple. So even if you are a beginner, you can easily create screen recording and tutorial videos very easily. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it and if you want me to continue reviewing softwares like this, please show your appreciation by hitting on the like button. And till I get a new software, bye. These are like their roadmap. They have zoom speed control and blur effects as planned, and these are another in progress. Add annotations, ability to add background music, and the ability to display keys that you are pressing. So these features are in progress and it's coming. This is just a test video that shows the recording. I'll export it in the video. Uh, Let me know how the clarity and quality is. If you are able to see this is I'll export this as 4K video and add it to this video so that you can see the quality difference when I use this for screen recording.